Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel, So Fast I Young. I'm pretty excited for this video because I got some things in the mail today and we're going to start a bit of a new series. But first we're going to talk about some housekeeping. My current new goal for July is going to be to try to upload a video every Saturday. So some of it's going to be continuation of things that I've been doing for a while. Some of it hopefully will be some new content that I'm going to be filming in the next few weeks. My list of ideas is growing a lot, as well as my general list of projects in my life, because I always manage to find new projects. So yeah, I think I have some really good ideas for things that are going to come up soon, and stuff even got a possible swig videos, making some sewing accessories for my sewing room, more patterning stuff that I'm planning to do because I want to dive into a gunny sack dress that I want to make. Okay, so this is going to be the first episode in a new series that I'm pretty excited about. I plan to call it Time to Die, because puns. Also because I love to dye, and I finally have a dyeing project that I can share with you all. This video is just going to be the unboxing of dye supplies. It's going to be pretty short. Didn't want to make this too long. I will go further into detail into how I use all of these supplies that I am about to show you, what they do, how they work, how to be safe with them, stuff like that, in later videos. Right now, I just want to jump in. Everything that you're about to see is from a company that I love and have used for well over a decade called Dharma Trading Company. This isn't a sponsored video. There's no codes, no nothing. Ever since I started buying dye stuffs, Dharma has been one of the ones that I've used the most because they have such a wide selection. And then also their website is really great because you can go on it and it has instructions of how to do, and it tells you what you need to buy and how you can mix it and different techniques you can do. It's a really, really great site. So I will put a link for that below. Like I said, not sponsored, just an awesome company. So let's go ahead and open these boxes that are behind me. Okay, so boxes. All right, we're gonna start with the Dharma one. So this is all from Dharma Trading Company, like I said. This is their professional textile detergent. There's also a brand called Synthropol. So this is Dharma's, their version of the same thing. You can also order Synthropol. It's not that much difference in price, honestly. But this is a special detergent that does a really good job at removing excess chemicals, residues, dyes, everything from detergent. It's really good. It's good to use before you dye something to help prep the fabric, and it's good to use afterwards to help pull out excess dye and keep things from bleeding after the fact. Let's see what's next. Next we got, this is my fiber reactive Persian dye in moss green. So this is what I'm going to use for the dye project for the color. Next in the box we got, okay, here is the urea. So urea, for this case with this dye, urea is not necessary, but it does help the dye paste up better and dissolve in water better. So that is what I'm using it for in this particular instance. It does have other properties that, with different, it kind of depends on what dye you're using, what fabric you're using. It is helpful in getting the dye to take in the fabric. All right, and one more bag. So this is the last bit of dye dye stuff that I need, and this is giant bag of soda ash. I'm not going to use all of this. As a matter of fact, this is their 2-ounce container, and I probably won't even use all of this for the project. This it was cheap, so I just bought a big bag so that I have some of this stuff. I'm going to use a tablespoon of this, maybe, not even. This, I use a cupful. So these are things that will last you a while if you want to get into using fiber reactive dyes. Part of why I love them. I'm sorry, so the soda ash. The soda ash is basically the fixer. This is the component that once you've soaked your fabric with the dye, when you add this, it creates the chemical reaction that fixes the dye in place. So I'm going to take this lovely moss green dye and dye this very loved dingy gi that I was sent. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little repair work on it to possibly replace this patch. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun little project. I still need to get, like a 5-gallon bucket basically, I think, and that should be big enough to do this. So this will be an upcoming project. I'm not exactly sure when I'm gonna dive into doing this. I kind of need to take a closer look at the gi, figure out what I need to repair on it first. It is supposed to be, this is 100% cotton. So, oh, that's right. Fiber active dye works best with natural fibers. So cottons, linen, stuff like that. You can kind of use it on, like, yeah, it says you can use it on wool and silk and that stuff, but there's better options, and this is more like cellulose, not protein, fibers, so cotton, hemp, linen, maybe, yeah. There's better options for wool and silk and whatnot than this. But there's instructions, again, like I said, this company does a lot of great information on their website, which is another reason why I super love them. And yeah, I think I will wrap up here. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you guys are really enjoying all of the content that I'm putting out. So again, Saturdays is going to be my new upload for this month. And please remember to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. I really enjoy hearing from everyone. So thank you. Have a good week.